Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to transfer your Amazon balance to your bank account in 2025. Whether you've got gift card funds, refunds, or Amazon Pay balance sitting there, this guide will help you get that money where it belongs, straight into your bank. It's easier than ever with the latest updates, but let's make sure you do it right to avoid any hiccups. First things first, why would you want to do this? Well, in 2025, Amazon has streamlined the process for faster transfers, but there might be a small fee depending on your region. The good news is, it only takes a few minutes if you follow these steps carefully. So, grab your device, and let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account on the website or app. Make sure you're using a secure connection, always a smart move for financial stuff. Once you're in, head over to the Amazon Pay section, which you can find in the top menu or by searching. Step 2. In Amazon Pay, look for your balance overview. This is where you'll see your available funds. Click on it, and you'll find an option that says something like Transfer to Bank or Withdraw Funds. Go ahead and select that. Step 3. Now, you'll need to enter your bank details. Amazon might ask for your bank's routing number, account number, and possibly verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. Double-check everything to prevent any errors. Trust me, typos can delay things. Step 4. Review the transfer amount and any associated fees. In 2025, transfers are often instant for verified accounts, but it could take 1 to 3 business days otherwise. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. A quick tip: make sure your Amazon account is fully verified to avoid restrictions. Also, check if your bank supports these transfers, as not all do. If you're in a country with specific regulations, like the EU, there might be extra steps for compliance. And there you have it. That's how you transfer your Amazon balance to your bank account in 2025. It's straightforward, but if you run into issues, Amazon's Help Center is a great resource. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.